Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use 4x4 on your Ram 2500. First, familiarize yourself with the different drive modes your truck offers. Knowing when to use each setting is crucial for optimal performance and safety. We will cover two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low, ensuring you understand their specific applications. Let's get started. To engage four-wheel drive high, ensure your Ram 2500 is moving at a speed under 55 miles per hour. This mode is ideal for conditions like snow, ice, or light gravel roads, providing extra traction without significantly limiting your speed. Remember, never use four-wheel drive high on dry, hard surfaces, as this can cause unnecessary wear and tear on your truck's components. Use it wisely for improved control. For challenging terrain or heavy-duty tasks, four-wheel drive low is your best option. Before engaging, bring your Ram 2500 to a complete stop and shift the transmission into neutral. This ensures a smooth and safe transition into the lower gear ratios. Four-wheel drive low provides maximum torque and traction, perfect for climbing steep hills, navigating deep mud, or pulling heavy loads at very slow speeds. Use it when you need serious power. Always refer to your Ram 2500 owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions on using your four-wheel drive system. It contains crucial information specific to your model. Practice engaging and disengaging these modes in a safe, open environment to build confidence. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Along with other great deals, drive safely and enjoy your truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.